want to help you. I'm afraid I can't do that. It's going to go 100% failure within 72 hours.
Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So we're back down here in the cedar bush right beside our building site. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, I've got some rocks here in this pathway that are a real issue. So I'm hoping that the rocks that I'm seeing sticking up out of the ground here in two spots are not giant rocks. I have tried to dig out rocks before and discovered that it's actually an entire ridge. So we're going to take a crack at these two and try to get them out of the way, because that will make it so much safer for bringing the tractor back here. I'll show you the two we're going after. So here's the first one. Now, it's not terrible, but the more I drive the tractor back in here, the more it sticks up, because the more I'm compacting the ground. But this one in front of the tractor here, this one is a real nuisance. It really sticks up, and I'm worried about it because it's also surrounded by roots. So we'll have to see what we can do. So I'm gonna pull ahead here and get the backhoe in position, and we're going to take a crack at this and see what we can do with it. All right, here we go. Well, that was almost too easy. All right, we're going to turn the tractor around, pick it up with the grapple, and get that thing out of here. Oh, boy. I'll drop a few rocks, a few smaller rocks down into this hole. Yeah, that's great. Well, that was too easy. Let's move on to rock number 2. All right, here we go, rock number 2. I have a feeling this isn't going to be as easy. I think this one's a lot bigger. Well, it is bigger, but it's out. here's the bonus rock. So I have found that the trick is to get them out of the hole. Once they're out of the hole, even if I can't quite pick it up off the ground with the grapple, I can often drag it. So let's see if we can drag this thing out of the way. Oh, I don't believe it. We picked it up. But we're not going very far. Yeah, boy, that's great. So I'm going to get a few rocks, smaller rocks, and throw them into here before we try to fill this. And I think I'll put the bucket back on the front. Well, there we go. There's the bonus rock, and right behind the bonus rock is rock number 2. And right over here on the other side of the road now is rock number 1. All right, that's excellent. I was getting really close to scraping the bottom of the tractor coming through here. That's going to make a huge difference. Got a couple of stumps to pull out. But for now, yeah, look at that. We got safe passage through here without the rocks. I'm really happy about that. Well, okay, well done. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I think I know what I'm going to be doing. All right, we'll see you then. Well, I hope you guys have been enjoying today's video, and if you have, I'd really appreciate the like, and I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, if you got any comments, suggestions, anything like that, I'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get back to work. Well, we had a little sprinkling of snow last night, and we're supposed to be getting 10 to 15 centimeters in just a couple of days. So I'm gonna have to take the backhoe off, but while I've got it on and we're back here playing around with rocks, I'm gonna pull a couple of these little stumps out as well. I wanna move my trailers and log hauler and stuff back into here. So let's get these stumps out while I've got the backhoe on. Well, folks, that's going to be it for today's video. Just a short one, a little bit of fun with rocks here. It's going to make it so much better getting in and out of this spot, and I'm going to be doing it a lot. So if you've been finding these videos interesting, please don't forget to give it a like and share it around. And I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. That makes a huge difference. So remember to be safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time. It's chilly. I feel the urge for a hot chocolate coming on.